What's up, everybody? Just to remind everybody, we do have shirts available on the website. That is wabmotorsports.net. Got the gray t-shirt, WAB Motorsports logo on the back. May the power of Chrysler compel you. Then we got the pre-order shirts, the white shirt with the WAB Motorsports logo on the front. On the back, it says long nights lead to win lights on the back. And then we got the Christmas shirt. Green shirt, red lettering, WAB Motorsports on the front. You know the drill. On the back, says all I want for Christmas is my Mopar. Head on over to wabmotorsports.net and pick yours up today. Pre-orders end at the end of November, so get your orders in while you can. So I'm about to piss off all of my neighbors. Because it's 6 o'clock in the morning. Let's go! Good morning, everybody. Made it out. MOPARS at the Park 2021. Getting car shows lined up right now. Got some race cars already here. Challenger group. As you can see, the burnout truck is way over there. Went to start it up this morning. Battery's deader than a doornail. But we got somebody going to get us a battery right now, so we're gonna get that put in and we'll be able to hopefully make some tire smoke. Car made it out here no problems. Got Dad's car, Sophie's car, Brian's truck. We'll hopefully make it a good day. We added a new class to MOPARS at the Park this year to try and get the younger generation into the sport, apart from the Power Wheels race, that is. This is the teen driver class. To compete, you must be between 13 and 16 years old, be driving a legal street car that can run no faster than 9 seconds in the 8th mile, and have a parent or someone over 21 years old riding with you. I did this when I turned 13, and I've had the bug for the past 15 years now and counting. So enjoy watching my cousin Bladen make his first few licensing passes in my wife's Mango Charger.
Unfortunately, we were not able to get video of the burnout that actually won the burnout contest. So here's a picture. It's a pretty cool build on this truck. Mr. Pat Pulley won the burnout contest, the first annual one. He went home with a cool $700 and a really cool trophy.
Pretty good. I was kind of worried about it. I didn't want to go down the track. Yeah, I know.
Blow one?
No, you didn't blow it. The fucking truck shut off.
Oh.
Bro, they're almost though. Bro, they're gone.
It was sucking up burnt rubber and it just killed it. It just died.
It started flooding the cab with smoke, man.
Yeah. That's fucking awesome. Yeah, we did good.
All right. So we have finished our burnout contest. Did the little Power Wheels race. That was pretty cool. So we've got eliminations going now. Eliminations for the bracket classes and the 10-0 class. We're obviously not entered in competition. We're just here to make a couple time laps. So I'm gonna get this car turned around, get the bottle warm, make sure it's all ready, and hopefully go pop off a 10. I've been wanting a 10 out of this car for a minute and I haven't gotten it. Let's go. All right, about to make our first pass. We in the lanes. Bottle's hot and tune-up's hot. It ought to go down, I'm hoping. We'll find out.
Well, we up here.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. We have liftoff.
front tires come off the ground?
Just about. What do you?
Dude.
Did the front tires come off?
Dude, I felt it set the front end down.
The right side, I know it came up enough that when you got into it, your passenger front tire was pushing it.
I felt it set the tire down.
Alright, I was on the other side. So
Damn it! I ain't got the wheelie shot.
No way it could have
You
run
need to
a
be on the
7
driver's
second
side.
pass in the
We
corner.
were all in the passenger
What did it
side.
run?
10.8 at 120 miles an hour.
Boy! Back at 120. God damn! Back in the 10. Damn, son! I went 1088.
So it went what?
Bro, it went 145 60 foot, best
Right.
60 foot,
Okay.
432 330, 682 to the 8th at 97 mile an hour, 901 to the 1,000 foot, and 1088 at 120 for your 8th mile.
Ooh, it's
Back in
now
the-
it's
back in
now
the tens.
it's a 10-8 car, not 11-0.
Back in the 10s, boys.
Back in the tens.
Well. All right, guys, and that'll be a wrap. The sun is setting. All finals ran, everything packed up. It was a good day. Car went personal best, fastest car's ever gone. Ryan had a blast doing a burnout. Hey Ryan, how was the burnout? Yeah. So now it's time to drive this old girl home. Well, just to classify it, it is a street car. So I said go get milk in it. Off we go.